In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Figma. Let's start right from the beginning. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other modern browser you're comfortable with. In the address bar at the top, type Figma and press enter. This will take you to the search results page where you'll see Figma listed, usually as one of the first results. On that search results page, look for the official Figma website. It should clearly say Figma in the link. Click on that to go to Figma's homepage. Once the Figma site has loaded, look towards the top right corner of the page. You should see an option labeled Login. Go ahead and click on Login to move to the sign-in screen. Now you're on the Figma login page. Here, you'll see a couple of different ways to sign in. One option is to type in your email address and continue with a password. Another common option is to continue with a Google account. If you already have a Figma account set up with your email and password, you can enter those details and proceed. Make sure you type your email accurately, since even a small typo can prevent you from signing in. In this example, we're going to use the Continue with Google option. This is a convenient choice if your Figma account is linked to your Google account, and it also saves you from having to remember another password. Click on the Continue with Google button. When you do that, a Google sign-in window or page will appear. Here, you might see a list of Google accounts you've used on this browser before. Select the correct account that you want to connect with Figma. If you don't see your account listed, choose the option to use another account and then enter your Google email and password. After you select or sign into your Google account, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Google may ask you to confirm that you want to allow Figma to access basic information like your email address and profile. Review the information, then click to continue or allow. Once